Guys, I'm very sure you must have seen the Met Gala 2015, all the celebrities that rocked the red carpet, from Beyonce to Kim Kardashian to Rihanna. They all came out, they all brought the best of themselves out on the red carpet. And then we've had different shots of who was the best dressed, who is the worst dressed, who were surprised by what they wore, who were wearing disappointed with and all that. But then it's just the time for us to view the red carpet from behind. One thing I noticed is, during the Golden Globes and other awards we had earlier on in the year, we had these ladies rocking deep V-necks. But at the Met Gala, they all did low backs. Did you notice? And it just, those that didn't do low backs had, statements at the back. So it kind of made me feel like attention at the Met Gala 2015 was at the back. So there's something happening in fashion at the back this year. So if you're thinking of what to wear to that big event, or what to wear, or what to make your Asoebi into, start considering a lot of low backs. Now, I'm starting from Beyonce. I really love what she wore. I mean, stones everywhere, quite expensive. Although, some people feel it was still revealing and all that, but I just like the opening at the back. I like the fact that the back opening didn't go all the way to the neckline. It was just a box in the middle. So it was, it put more attention on our waistline where the low back ended. And of course, it enhanced our hip line. That is gorgeousness. That's all. So moving on to Kim Kardashian now. This is just beautiful. She's personally my best dress for the evening. That dress is everything. The choice of colors, I don't even know how to explain, it just felt like an angel descended from heaven. It was just simply amazing. And looking at the back, the wide oval neck was just the best channeling part to our hip line. Looking at it from the back, and the tail just complemented the low back at the back, and that worked perfectly well on that outfit. So at number 3, I've been trying so hard to get over Rihanna since the event, because I really don't understand what she had on. That fabric is essential, and it's enough for everybody on the show to make their dresses. It's just unnecessary, amount of fabric. So looking at it from the back, it looks like a very big bed with a big duvet that I could just sleep in and have a sweet dream. So, and then I also love JLo's outfit, although I kind of feel like she should have let her hair up, so it gives us a good view to what the back of the dress looks like. But at the same time, it wasn't bad at all. The back was, quite a good statement. The dragon effect, the red and the nude, it works very well for the evening. And of course, it's Met Gala 2015 anyway, so anything is expected. I love Zendaya's outfit. I love the way the outfit was lifted from the back, so it gave you like a suspending tail. So looking at the dress from the front, it gives you a very simple feel, like, oh, she's trying to take the evening easy. But then when you get to the back, you're like, okay, this outfit actually has a statement to the back. And that's what I have for you on viewing Met Gala 2015 from the back. On a second note, there's just something you don't know about fashion.